November 5th, 2009, Santa Ana Zoo train ride. And they're gone. Nice and quiet.